Hey guys, T-Main 40 here. Done a little review yesterday over this Bushmaster Carbon 15, and today my wife and I, let me take my earplugs out because I'm talking real loud, but done a little review on it yesterday, and today we're out shooting it some. So it's been doing pretty good. We're kind of having a hard time getting these sights zeroed in. These are the mag pull. I don't know if it's necessarily the sights. It's just that you know, we don't come out here and shoot all the time, and we don't zero in a lot of sights. But anyway, so I'd say probably everything that I've thought's been wrong with this gun has been something that I've done. So far the gun's not had any hiccups. It's always been me. But we got some targets out here. I don't know, maybe 80 yards or something like that to 100, and may be sighted in, I don't know, but we'll try it. I'll try a few shots here, and then we'll be good to go. So we'll try it. I'll shoot for the one on the top left. There's 10 shots. We'll go out and see how we did. With these sunglasses, I know this is an excuse I'm already saying, but with these sunglasses I couldn't really see the post on the front sight. So I was just trying to do the best I could and hold it in the center. See how good our zero was also. Looks like I'm shooting to the right some, which, like I said, that could have been me over here. Got a couple to the head here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the head. So anyway, we'll keep doing what we can, and I'll make another video here, maybe another 1,000 rounds or so, do a review on it. Thanks, guys.